All right, so the purpose of this video is to show how the ACIM1 can be used to convert 110 volt signal to 24 volts and then shoot back out 110 volts. So what application this could be used on, say a customer or somebody already has a float in their tank, which is 110 volts, and they want to use something like ultrasonic for level detection of what's in the tank. So what this sensor does, you put 110 volts to it, and then it converts to a 24 volt signal to a PNP. You connect to the sensor when the sensor comes on. Once that 24 volt signal comes back out, this converts it back into a 110 volt signal. So the cable I will be using, again, the sensor side of it is just a standard M12. You can also get this in an M8, but on the power side, it does have a special cable that connects to it. So you need to make sure that you get the correct cable to connect to it. I've already checked the pin out and the colors on the cable to make sure that they are the exact same, so I can just use this one diagram. So right now I've just got 110 volts going in this pin rail, an SICK relay, just a standard PNP H18, and cable and the ACIM1. So we'll go ahead and, by looking at this, we can tell that red, black, we'll start with neutral because that's what I want to start with. So I'll just go to neutral, connect it on the 110 volt neutral side. And I'll take it to the SICK relay to pin 7 of the coil of the SICK relay, which is the neutral side of the coil. And then I'll look here at the neutral of the ACIM1, and it says it's going to be red, white. So I'll take my red, white wire and I'll land that in the same spot on the SICK relay. I'll just tighten those down, make sure I've got a good connection. So my next connection will be the red black. The red black will go to 110 volts to power the device. And I'll stick that in there and hope I've got a good connection there. The next one will be red, which will be our 110 volt signal coming back through the ACIM1. So I'll take the red and I'll put that on the hot side of my coil for the IC, or the SICK relay. And ensure that's got a good connection. Now that everything is wired up, we can go ahead and mount the H18, plug it in, and then plug in the power side. And also one thing to notice is there is a magnet on the back of this, so you can just stick it up against something. So now whenever I plug this in, again, this is a 110 volt SICK relay. I'll plug it in. Anytime I stick something in front of the H18, I should see this output come on and also this relay fire. So that relay energizing, and that is a 110 volt relay and a 24 volt sensor. Let me know if you have any questions.